Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am doing something a little bit different. I am doing a cook and clean with me. Hopefully you guys are going to enjoy today's video, and if you do, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'm going to be cleaning my very messy kitchen, and I'll be cooking a really delicious pasta dish. I usually don't let the kitchen get this messy, but things have been hectic. I've been filming and editing and also working, and some of you might know that I have a kid, so yeah, it's just been hard to do all of that and also take care of housework that I need to do. But yeah, now before cooking, I'm just going to start with cleaning the kitchen. I'm going to start by washing the dishes, and I like to listen to music while cleaning, so yeah, I'm just choosing songs that I'm gonna be listening to, and then I'm gonna start by picking things up from the counter and putting them in the sink before washing the dishes.
Original bad man, you don't know.
It's Fekils.
Standard. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning.
It is a lot of dishes, and can you believe these dishes are only from me and Oli? So yeah, the past 2 days, like I said, they've just been hectic. So these dishes that you see here are from yesterday and also earlier today, because now the time is around 3. We had our lunch, breakfast, and also yesterday's dishes. So
now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Girls, them around come. Me I fit to turn them down. Anywhere we go, see them be hating now. She carry you, her body amazing, oh. My baby, oh. I go love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'm a risk it. I'm a risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. Oh yeah, dark, she, no, they do me, she get. You wanna come move fair. Now you I want to.
sometimes I wish I could just snap my fingers and the dishes disappear. And yeah, these pots were already clean. I just left them there. Now I'm just going to get on to cleaning the counters. I had my eyelashes over there. I'm going to put everything away and then get my handy Andy. Not too sure if I know the name of this spray, but it's a multi-purpose spray. Yeah, I'm just going to disinfect the surfaces with this, including the backsplash there or the wall.
Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning.
Just love the spray because it's a multi-purpose spray. Not only does it just leave everything looking clean, but it also disinfects at the same time.
Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling.
I'm going to give a sink a good scrub. I love a clean sink, so I always make sure that I just scrub down the sink, leaving it shiny and looking clean.
And I be feeling you, oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you, oh. So nobody better than you. I know. I say nobody proper than you.
I was supposed to cook after cleaning here, but then unfortunately load shedding happened. Now it is 2 days later, because the past 2 days we've just been struggling with load shedding.
I know. One boy need your money, oh. Need your money, oh. Them they feel you from London to SA, oh. We could do
cook my chicken pasta dish. Just going to clean my chicken. Firstly, I'm going to remove the skin, then rinse the chicken, and then get into cutting it into strips. I received a call from my sister and my grandmother. I was so excited, but yeah, I just really missed my family, and I wish I could see them, and hopefully I will be seeing them soon. Now let's get back to cooking. I'm not really sure whether I should talk you guys through this recipe, but if you're interested, I'm going to leave everything down in the description box because I don't know what to say. It is a chicken pasta dish that I came up with that I love, and yeah, just start by cutting the chicken into strips.
I just gotta tell you, it's in my mind, you gotta know. Body smoking like a cigarette.
This dish is the quickest dish ever, so if you're tired or you don't have time, this dish is very easy and quick to make. So yeah, now I'm just making my marinade or pasta sauce. Just going to mix all my spices, including soy sauce, worcestershire sauce, I hope that's how you say the name, and also garlic and water, tomato paste, everything. You'll just see, just follow what I'm doing. If you're interested, just follow what I'm doing on the screen, and you can also check the description box. I will leave everything there.
It's probably too late, hanging down with my head as autumn leaves. We care for something. I wanna know if a heart can lie, 'cause you lie to my face. I wanna know if a heart can lie, 'cause you lie to my face. As we keep on going down, everybody lose their mind. I know nothing right now, 'cause you lie to my face. Ain't gonna waste any time with my heart on the line. I know nothing right now, 'cause you lie to my face. It's probably too late, hanging down with my head as autumn leaves. We care for something. I wanna know if a heart can lie, 'cause you lie to my face. I wanna know if a heart can lie, 'cause you lie to my face. As we keep on going down, everybody lose their mind. I know nothing right now, 'cause you lie to my face. I'm gonna wait
I'm going to cook my pasta while the chicken marinates.
anytime with my heart on the line. I know nothing right now, 'cause you lie to my face. I'm not gonna waste my time on you.
I am cooking linguine, one of my favorite pastas.
You think you're pretty, no one cares but you. As we keep on going down, everybody lose their mind. I know nothing right now, 'cause you lie to my face. Ain't gonna waste any time with my heart on the line. I know nothing right now, 'cause you lie to my face. In the darkest hour, I wanna comfort you. I know you've been alone. Oh, where do we go?
To make sure that the linguine doesn't stick together, I'm going to drizzle just a few drops of oil.
I know how you hate the cold.
As you can see, I've put back the bones because I was like, I'm not gonna throw them away, and I thought I was gonna make a chicken stock with them, but just like, nah, it's only 4 bones, so I might as well just cook them as well. And now I'm going to grate my cheese. I love this grater because it comes with a container, and when you're done with it, you can just close it up to keep your food fresh and put it in the fridge. So yeah, it's very, very convenient. I love this grater.
Spend your life searching for more. Afraid to leave, afraid to show. Afraid to leave, afraid.
I'm going to take out the chicken bones before I add back the rest of the sauce to the chicken.
Sometimes find yourself nowhere, no. Lost and looking for a soul. Grabbing for what you can hold. Sometimes realize there's nowhere to go. There's the thing we're searching for. It's just waiting back.
If you're gonna do this, make sure that you don't overcook your pasta. Just if maybe the packet says cook it for 10 minutes, try to maybe cook it for like 7 minutes, because you're still gonna continue cooking it with the chicken. And now I'm adding my milk. If you have cream, you can add cream, but I didn't have cream, so I added full cream milk. And I'm also going to add cheese.
And you've done your walking, probably enough for two. Oh, often you've had it rough, but you also had your cup filled up. And we both know, every time you come around, every time you return, you see it in your tired eyes. That you still have more to go.
Let me tell you something, Tracy. It can't be anything like love, can it?
Now it's time for me to dish up. I'm gonna be dishing up for me and Ollie.
Oh, sometimes find yourself nowhere, no. Lost and looking for your soul.
I love my pasta with a little bit of kick, so I'll always add maybe like a hot sauce or chili flakes, and also I like it very cheesy, so I'm going to add mozzarella cheese on top. And to make things easier for Ollie, I'm just going to cut up the linguine so that he'll be able to feed himself.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want in on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor.
He enjoyed this dish. It got a thumbs up from my picky eater Ollie, so I'm very, very excited. And yeah, we have a winner. This guy is a picky eater, so it's hard to find something that he likes.
Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me right.
After eating, I am going to wash the dishes, put the food in the containers, and then wash the pots as well. I didn't show me washing the dishes because I started the video with washing the dishes. So yeah, now I'm just going to put away the pots and also make sure that the counters are clean. Going to just wipe everything.
Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see.
I'm just also gonna wipe down the sink, make sure that everything is clean, and then when I'm done, I'm going to spray the room with this jasmine and lotus something spray. I don't remember what it is, and I like spraying this on that fake plant there because it just lasts longer. And I'm also going to light a candle before relaxing. And
anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time, baby.
And this is how I like my kitchen: clean, no dishes, no clutter. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.
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 Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me ya, say she give me pour me ya. Inna ya, say she give me inna ya. Mana wine, say she give me dirty wine. Mana grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my wine in me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, let me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a boss in the thing so. Girl, pour me ya.